If God is putting something in your heart, then pursue it. If you have this dream na gusto mong gawin matagal na, then I encourage you to start doing it. Most of the time, it's so hard, especially hindi mo alam kung paano kung mag-start. You don't know what to do first, or you don't know how to do it. Or sometimes, just simply thinking of that dream of yours na alam mo na parang napaka-imposible mangyari. Ayun pa lang is napapatigil na tayo. Instead of pursuing it, we will be like, this is impossible to happen. I think this is not for me. It's not viable. But the thing is, if your dream is not scaring you, then that means your dream is not big. Alam mo yung pakiramdam na meron kang bagay na gustong gawin pero nag-hesitate ka na gawin kasi you don't know if you will get something from it or not. Or sometimes like, nag-umpisa ka nang gawin yung bagay na yun pero you don't see the result. It feels like it's so slow, or you feel like walang nangyayari sa ginagawa mo. Well, I feel the same. Most of the time, we lose patience. But the thing is, there's no instant. You have to make efforts. You have to work on it before you achieve something. Kasi ang isang bagay na hindi mo pinaghirapan, hindi mo pahalagahan. But if you know your sacrifices before mo makuha yung isang bagay, talagang pahalagahan mo. In life, we have dreams sometimes like when you're lying down in your bed and then you will think of random things na, I wanna do this. Or you're envisioning yourself in a situation, you know. I have a question. What if that dream of yours, it is God who put that in your heart because He has a purpose? And what if it will never be unlocked unless you make a move? Alam ko may mga times na parang mahirap abutin tong bagay na to. Hindi kaya. It's not the reality of my life. But the thing is, doon mas nag-work si Lord. Sa mga bagay na imposible, doon mas nakikita yung miracles ni Lord. Kaya nga siya tinatawag na miracle. Kasi hindi maaarok ng pag-iisip ng tao, hindi magagawa ng kahit na sino. Si Lord lang yung tanging makakagawa. Our role is to follow Him, to follow our conviction. If there's this desire within us to do something, and we know that it is from the Lord, and the thing is, why are you dreaming about it? Why do you want to get that dream of yours? Is it only for your personal gain, or you want this thing to happen because you want to bless other people too? Kung hindi mo lang siya pang sarili, then God will surely bless your heart. I can testify about this because there's a lot of moments in my life na sinisave ako ni Lord. And marami ding bagay sa buhay ko na kala ko imposible na mangyari, pero pinatunayan ni Lord na buhay siya. And you know what? Walking in that dream of mine, there were so many times that I didn't understand where I was going to. And you know, the vision was getting blurry. But the thing is, you just have to follow God, His leading, His direction. Kasi, to be honest, we don't have to understand everything. We just have to trust the one who gave us that dream. Yeah, so just like now, I'm talking in front of the camera. I don't know if people are watching my videos. Maybe nobody watches my videos, or maybe some people do. But you know what? May mga times din na parang I feel discouraged na what if yung time na ginugugol ko sa paggawa ng videos is wala naman talagang mapupuntahan. But at the back of my mind, there's this small voice na nagsasabi, even if just one person, if I can encourage one person, if I can uplift someone who's down, just one, then it's gonna be worth it. Doon naman talaga nag-uumpisa sa maliit na bagay. Let's say, you're scared because what if you fail or what? Well, it's okay to be scared. As soon as you win over yourself, who is afraid to do something, then you're already a winner. If you are still hesitating kung gagawin mo yung bagay na yun or hindi, kung ipupursue mo yung dream mo or hindi, this is your sign now. God is telling you, I am the one who put that dream in your heart for a reason. Pursue it. It may take you some time to see the results. It may be hard along the journey, but the reward on the other end is gonna be worth it. Pursue your dream. If you fail, if it fails, it's okay. It's okay to fail because you tried instead of perpetually living in your what ifs because you've never tried. If itong bagay na to is hindi ka pinapatulog gabi-gabi and you're constantly thinking about it, maybe that is really for you. God wants you to have it. You just have to decide whether to get it yourself or just stay in your situation. So God is giving us the dream, the vision, and it's up to us. The ball is in our court already. You have to decide. Let's pursue whatever it is that God put in our hearts and let's all win together. Let's keep our connections.